There are so many distractions in this world, dozens of OTT channels, a political fight at every corner of social media, be it Twitter, be it Facebook, everywhere. People comparing with each other on Instagram, getting envious of other people's false realities. What they project on Instagram is not true, but you compare yourself and get distracted by it. Rage baits about people posting content which elucidates a response from your side for no reason, no purpose. Or thirst traps, the OnlyFans girls posting on Insta and other places, and you commenting there, spending your money, and all that. What if? Just what if for a brief second you can imagine yourself ignoring all these traps and not fall for a single one of them? Imagine how distinguished and how powerful you can be if you can ignore all these distractions while everyone else is distracted right now at this very moment, which is 90% of people around you. Everybody else is distracted, but you are not. You have blinders on each side of your eye, like a horse running towards the end line, running towards the finishing line, and your eyes are focused on the goal, like Arjun in Mahabharat focusing on the eye of the fish. Nothing else matters to him. What if you can be that person for a second? And what if you can continue to be that person in life? Imagine the amount of things you will unlock in life. You will unlock God level in your life, because God does not want us to consume. God wants us to learn and then create. That's the purpose of the universe. God wants us to create. God wants us to be the expression of this universe. The universe is this vast, cosmic, floating, wandering reality, and we are its expression. We are its artist. God wants us to express it to creating something amazing, express it to creating amazing product, express it to creating something which helps people, be it in your content, be it in your art, be it in your music, be it in a product. Create that content, create that art, create that product. Our genesis in our core is of a creator. Everything around you has been created by minds just like yours. Everything you see around you. What stops us from being there and going to that place? We are limiting ourselves by keeping ourselves in a box, and the people out there, they want us in a box. They want to distract us by creating these OTT channels and these plethora of options while they make the money from it. These people posting on Insta, they want us to distract us from seeing about their life and how they are living, and they make money off our views. These political fights we are having with each other right now, the politicians and all, let me tell you, they are all friends. They meet at parties, they sing and dance, they are all friends. It's us who are getting distracted by all these people while we are not working on ourselves and about our lives and our goals and creating and meeting our genesis, which is about being a creator for the greatest creator. We are ignoring the genesis. Everything around you is created by minds no smarter than yours. You are smart. Don't fall into that diatribe and dogma that some people are smarter than others. You are smart. You are just waiting to unlock it. What if you can unlock it by focus, by meditation, by focusing on the things which you want to do, by meditating on what you want to do and having blinders on and just doing it? Going into action mode, rigorous action mode. And I'm not saying you will be perfect in the first time. You will make mistakes. You will make mistakes hundreds of times, but with each time you will learn and you will be building muscle memory to do it better next time. And if you do it continuously, day after day after day, in 100 days, you will be at a level which you didn't foresee before. In 100 days, you will be at a level which you didn't foresee before. Believe me, If you go on your goal and keep on doing it consistently and keep on creating, you will be at a place which you didn't foresee before. Who says that the sky has to be the limit for you? All these limiting factors. Man has put his footprints on the moon. Do not make the sky the limit. Be beyond that. Go for what you want. Go for it by starting now. Start imperfect today. Start imperfect and keep building on it. Don't think about how others are seeing you and others are judging you. The universe is temporary. Nothing will really matter, but it will matter to you at the end of your life that you didn't do it because of others' judgment, and you were trying to cope up with it, with their judgment, by judging others, by getting into frivolous debates, by getting into frivolous content consumption, because you were fearful of doing something yourself. But I say, go for it. This is your chance. Go for it and see what happens. Go for it. See what happens when you go for it. The world will change and you will be the ruler of it, of your own destiny. See you in the next video.